Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. All over the world. My name is Dizo, and I'm your host for today in this first episode here to Yalapa Azabs. Ngenqubo yethu ukuphuhlisa apha eKapa about upcoming artists nayo yonke into yokwenza nomculo apha eCape Town. And once in Cape Town, I mean everywhere from Khayelitsha to Gugulethu. So if you want to be part of the show next time, make sure to sit back and enjoy, and we'll give you more information at the end of the show. So please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Today we have a very special guest on our first episode. He is known as the Naughty Berry, aka Kavalethu Mchakazana, and he is doing big things this season. So today we are going to be chatting with him and getting to know him more. The Naughty Berry, how are you, my boy?
I'm good, man. What's up?
Yeah, I'm good too, man. So tell us, my man, why they named the Naughty Berry?
Alright, like the Naughty Berry, like I came up with the name when I was about 18. And I was 18, man. Like I was just chilling at my place, you know, thinking about the rap name. Now my girl came over, and then like, you know, like she was like, we were like having sex, man, you know, like having sex. And I was like, I couldn't even get enough of that shit, you know, because that shit tasted good. And then she was like, you so naughty, and I was like, God damn, man, you know, that shit hit my mind. It was like naughty, and you know, bitches call me Barry. So I took all that thing, put it together. I came with it.
So the Naughty Berry, my guy, tell me, are you an independent artist or are you signed to any label here in Cape Town?
Yeah, for now, man, I'm like, I can't even say the word independent because it's a big ass word, man. You know, like I'm just an underground artist, you know.
Yeah.
Still looking for a lot of things, man. A lot of things, you know.
So like you're saying, soon you're gonna be signed, man.
I think so.
So are you like waiting for the right deal or just taking your time building your music and your platform?
I can say I'm doing both, man, because I'm building my music very well, man. You know, like I record, I do everything, man. You know, like an artist has to do. You know, like sign up for gigs and things.
Yeah.
You know, buy beats and everything. You know, I'm still looking for everything.
So you're still left with the right deal for you, man.
Yes, sir.
So Maji, please tell me, man, like which artist do you look up to? The artist who inspire you, man?
Artists that
Can be locally or internationally.
Yeah, man. I like to look to locals, man. You know, like there's a nigga, you know, like named AT. Like, damn, man, he hard.
You're gonna say Casper or AKA, man.
Oh, nigga, no, man. They not in my circle, though, man. I mean, we all doing the same thing, but you know, like.
So Maji, like let's get to the business of the day, man. Like,
Yes, sir.
you're a musician, right?
Yes, sir.
So like,
What kind of question is that?
how would you describe your music, bro?
How would I describe my music?
Yeah.
I describe it as beautiful music, man. You know, like I make different music, it's unique. I got my own spots, man. You know, like it's my music, man. You know, like I'm unique as fuck, man. You know, like and
So
I like
are you a rapper or a trapper or a singer, bro?
I can say a rapper, singer. You know, like I'm a hip hop artist, man. You know, like I can do everything. You know?
So you say you got bars, man.
Yeah, dang, man. I got everything, man. You know, I'm fine.
Alright, we can hear you, man. You're gonna throw us a freestyle, right?
Yes, sir. Why not?
Alright, Richie. TBR, man, please tell me, bro. How long have you been making music for?
Like I've been making music like since forever, man. You know, like I started making music when I was in grade 5 or something. Yeah, I remember I had a homie. His name was Latita. You know, like we was sitting on the desk in class, man, when the teachers off something. Like he be making beats from the desk, you know, and I be out there rapping. And so yeah, man, I think it started right there.
So much, since you've been rapping for a long time,
Yes, sir.
tell me like how has the sound changed or developed over time?
Like, you know, like I was doing watching a lot of YouTube videos, you know, like how to improve the rapping skills, the singing skills, vocal warm-ups and everything.
Yeah.
You know, so I think on my side, I think I've improved, you know, over the years, you know. Like looking back, like listening back to my songs back then, you know, like I think I'm better now, man, you know, and I know I'm gonna get better and better and better, you know, so yeah.
Yeah, I see. So now let's get to the future, man. Like, where do you see yourself in 5 or 10 years time, bro? What are your goals?
My goals, man, you really wanna know, man?
Yeah,
In 5 years time, man, I see myself out there, man, you know,
Like you wanna win a summer or a Grammy or some shit like that?
yeah, I'm going for the Grammy, man, you know, cause it's the biggest shit ever, man, you know, like, I'ma get it, though, you know, I'ma get it, man, that's that, Grammy, man, I believe I will, man,
But make sure to represent the city, man. CPT.
I never forget where I came from, man,
Yeah.
you know, like, that's my root, man, fuck that.
Next question, bro. And how do you find inspiration to write a song, man?
Alright, how do I find it?
Yeah.
You mean how do I find it?
What gets you to that creative mode, man? Like when you're starting the song, bro. Like, do you meditate or do you listen to other music or something like that?
You know, like when I'm not doing anything, I just listen to music, you know, and everything, you know, on my free time. You know, then there are times when I'm feeling sad, man. You know, it depends on my mood, man. When I'm sad, like I write a lot of songs, man. You know, like dang. When I'm happy, you know, I still write a song.
So this year, Naughty Berry, man, you dropped your first EP, man.
Yes, sir.
Which is called
Naughtyville.
Naughtyville, bro. So
yes, sir.
Tell me, bro, how long did you work on that project for, man?
How long did I work on it? I don't know. It was like a week. Just a week, man.
Took just a week, man.
Yeah, it's just a week.
Oh, yeah, I listened to your project on SoundCloud, man.
Yes, sir.
And I heard the first track, man, called Risky, bro.
Whoa.
And that song you get too personal, man.
Yeah.
And there's a line that I have a line here, man, which says like, I got daughters and they anywhere about the suicide, man.
Yes, sir.
Please explain further that line, man. Like, do you feel you're suicidal or what, man?
Like, nah, man, I'm not suicidal, man. Nah, I was never suicidal, man. You know, like, these are the streets, man. You know, like people go through a lot of shit. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know, some people kill themselves, and you might think a person is crazy for killing themselves. You know,
that's killers, bro.
You know, like, yeah, people go through a lot of shit. So I'm just saying, like, I got daughters, man. So in a way, I'm gonna kill myself. I'm gonna stay strong, man. You know, like strong through everything, man. You know, like. Yeah, man, I'm gonna do everything for them, man, you know, got a lot of love for them, man.
Yeah, shout out to you for that, man.
Shout out to my girls. Yeah.
So, man, tell me, like, if people wanna listen to your tape, man, where can they find it, bro?
SoundCloud, Audio Mac. Yeah, man, that's where you find me, man.
And they just search for the Naughty Berry.
The Naughty Berry. The one and only.
Yeah, the one and only Naughty Berry. Make sure you go check him out on SoundCloud, man. So tell us, man, from now on, what's next from you, man? Like, any new music?
Yeah, man, expect anything from me, man, because I've been working on 2 projects, you know, like, the 80s, you know, like, I got interesting features there, you know, like, Shallow, and, Score from the Chippy Gang, what's it called, YD, yeah, man, you know, like, Steady Tears, too, my nigga Steady Tears, yeah.
Yeah, and I see you have another cat in the house, man. You brought also your boy, man. Who's your boy, bro?
Yeah, this my nigga Multiplier right here, man.
Yeah, he's an artist too, man.
An artist, man. An artist.
Yeah. So now we get to the final part of the show, ladies and gentlemen. We about to hear some bars. Yeah. We got a freestyle in the house.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Whoa, it's a hot ass beat, man. Back in the hood with this shit. Yeah. With this shit. Whoa. Yeah. I pull up on Saturday with all this cash in my pocket, don't give me no stress. When I see all these niggas, you know I gotta get to work, all I think about is chase. Got my eyes on the king and I move out the mist and I grab on his head and I twist. Bitch, you know it's a jungle, I nigga don't fumble, you pay me my money in double. I know I'm in trouble, I dealt with the struggle, you know that young Taylor was humble. But I don't give a fuck when it come to this shit, man, I get in the ring and I rumble. I'm not crazy as hell, I'm insane as a clover, see cause I just lose it and tear. If he start acting up, I just pull out my Glock. It's your life or your wife, woo, nigga.
Yeah.
I'm in the game, I'm breaking the cell like I'm grooving. Yeah, came from the front so you know I've been moving. I'm gonna break the rules, I'm gonna shake the room. Yeah, I'm gonna break the rules. Yeah, I'm gonna shake the room. Cause I take my time, I don't do shit in rush. That's why I'm making them blush. Dirty diamond I was and I'm still gonna be, cause I'm still stuck in it rough. Yeah, I love them bitches who giving me fucks, but never giving no fucks. You keep you 100 with all of these drugs. Now watch them fail with your lungs. I'm on a mission, I'm down making wishes, bitch. I'm headed straight to the peak. I'ma take her to lunch and then straight to pavilion. Later she gon' hit the lick. I'ma be a physiologist for the night. She gon' come in tomorrow, that's right. Yeah, I said I body physique. She say my body looks sweet. Start laughing, I shoot on his bitch. Yeah, I'm cold as a cop, bitch. Not a cop, bitch. You was cup with a gun, bitch. Better run, bitch. Shut your mouth, not a word, bitch. Not a word, bitch. You snitched, then you next, bitch. Now I'm sounding like a nigga with no hesitation. Blood on my hands, nigga got some reservation. I take a nigga like end their inspiration process with one bullet. I take my time, I don't do shit in rush. That's why I'm making them blush. Got my carrots on me like a rabbit. Been doing this shit, it's a habit. If she asks for a sex, she can't have it. When she throwing it back, it ain't tragic. When she riding the dick, man, it's magic. I might fuck her right now, let her have it. Naughty Berry.
Yeah.
Naughty Berry. We got it, bitch.
CPT stand up.
84.
Harry Berry.
84.
All the way from Kailicha. 7784.
That's the code, my nigga.
Yeah. That was the Naughty Berry. Wrapping up today's show in style. Please catch us again next week on Monday. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, sir.
And also follow your boy, the Naughty Berry.